Students, today our topic is cross multiplication method. So already we have finished the substitution and elimination. Now I am going to discuss cross multiplication. So if a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So these are the pair of linear equations. Then in cross multiplication method, x value is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y value is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So these are the values of x and y. I will explain the proof also. So now this is the given equations. So I'll use here elimination method. See, multiplying equation 1 with a2, equation 2 with a1. So that will result a1 a2 x plus b1 a2 y plus c1 a2 is equals to 0. Similarly here a1 a2 x plus a1 b2 y plus a1 c2 equals to 0. So I will eliminate here x because x coefficients are equal, so minus and minus. So this will eliminate. Here we can write b1 a2 y minus a1 b2 y, because this minus we need to consider. b1 a2 y minus b2 a1, or we can write a1 b2 y plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 0. So here we can write c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to a1 b2 y minus a2 b1 y. Here c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to y, we can take common, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So c1 by a2 minus c2 by a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equals to y. Therefore finally we can write y is equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the y value. We can find out x also. So now we need to find out x value. Equation 1 with b2, equation 2 with b1. Why? Because we need to find out x value, so that we need to eliminate y value. So we are multiplying with the y coefficients. This will be a1 b2 x plus b1 b2 y plus c1 b2 is equals to 0. This is a2 b1 x plus b1 b2 y plus c2 b1 is equals to 0. So subtraction, this symbol should not be considered, this also should not be considered. So this one we can write as a1 b2 x minus a2 b1 x, this will be eliminate, plus c1 b2 minus b1 c2 equals to 0. Here x we can take common, a1 minus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 equals to, this transpose to that side means b1 c2 minus b2 c1. c1 b2 I am writing as b2 c1. Now x is equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the x and y values, but here also there are multiple cases. so as an elimination method. So depends upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, we can decide whether they are intersecting or coincident or parallel lines. So a1 b2 minus a2 b1 plays a crucial role to find out that the type of lines. So these are the x and y values. So already I said a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equals to 0. Then what will happen? a1 b2 is equals to a2 b1. Then a1, this a2 transpose to this side will become b1 by b2. So when you will get this condition a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2 when they are intersecting. That means unique solution. When they have unique solution, we will get this condition. So if a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equals to 0, then we can say that the given pair of line equations will have the unique solution. In case if we get a1 b2 minus a2 b1 value is equals to 0, then we will have another again two cases. Either it can be coincident or parallel. Then how to identify whether it is a coincident parallel, we will discuss. If a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equals to 0, then we can write a1 b2 is equals to a2 b1. This a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. So by that, so let assume this value a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to some k. By this what we can write, because a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, it may equals to some value. That value I am assuming as k. From that we can write a1 is equals to a2k and b1 is equals to some b2k. See, if C1 by C2 is equals to K, so that implies C1 is equals to C2K and A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. So that implies coincident lines. And if C1 by C2 is not equals to K, that means C1 is not equals to C2K. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 is not equals to K. So that this value is not equals to K. So this represents parallel lines. So simply we can say if C1 is equals to C2K, then the lines will be coincident when if A1 B2 minus A2 B1 value is equals to 0. In the same case, if C1 is not equals to C2K or C1 by C2 is not equals to K, then the lines will represent parallel lines. So now briefly I will tell the case again. If A1 B2 minus A2 B1 is not equals to 0, in such case it represents intersecting lines. If A1 B2 minus A2 B1 is equals to 0, here two cases will come. So one case is if C1 is equals to C2K, here where A1 by A2 is equals to some B1 by B2 is equals to some K. So in this case you will get coincident. If C1 is not equals to C2K, in this case you will get parallel lines. So remembering the formula with the help of a diagram. So first write down x, y and 1. Now first write down the y coefficients here. B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, again B1 and B2. So now you should write x by cross multiplication B1 from top of the left side to bottom right, B1 C2 minus from here B2 C1 equals to, now y by same C1 A2 minus C2 A1 equals to, now 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So as they are all equal, this x by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equals to this value. So we can write x by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 equals to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1, and y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equals to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. By this, if you cross multiply, we will get here B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1, and y is equals to C1 A2 minus C2 A1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So if you are not able to remember the formula, you can follow this method. So first write down the x, y1 and start with the y coefficient B1 B2, next constant x coefficients, and again B1 B2 from top to bottom right. Here from B2 to C1, B1 C2 minus B2 C1, C1 A2 minus C2 A1, A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Then we can equate and we can find the formula, so we can remember. So we will see some examples also. So now let's see the example related to cross multiplication method. So solving the equations using the cross multiplication method. So if they are given here 2x plus 3y is equals to 46, 3x plus 5y is equals to 74. The basic rule you should remember while applying the cross multiplication method is, it should be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So when the pair of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So that means this constant also should be in the LHS side. So now this we can write as 2x plus 3y minus 46 equals to 0. 3x plus 5y minus 74 is equals to 0. Now if you remember the formula, x and y value directly you can take and substitute. So we will practice the. So first x, y and 1. 3, 5. Y coefficients we need to write first. Minus 46 minus 74. X coefficient and again y. As I said, x by 3 into minus 74. 3 into minus 74. Immediately put negatives here. Minus. Then take this. 5 into minus 46 is equals to y by minus 46 into 3 minus 2 into minus 74 or minus 74 into 2. 1 by 2 into 5 minus 3 into 3. So this is x by minus 222 plus minus into minus plus 46 into 5, 230 is equals to y by this one minus 46 into 3 minus 138 plus 148 plus 148, 1 by 10 minus 9. So x by 8 is equals to y by 10 is equals to 1. So from this, if you equate, you will get x by 8 is equals to 1 and y by 10 is equals to 1. So therefore x by 8 is equals to 1, that implies x is equals to 8, and y by 10 is equals to 1, that implies y is equals to 10. So finally x comma y is 8 comma 10. So like this, with the help of the diagram we can find out.